Hi everyone, Benidorm Crazy Marcus, back again at Side Jokers. Just doing a quick film on here. Bit of advice with jokers. Maybe get your drink in a bottle or something, because like most places they water it down. Some good accent tonight, actually. First time I've seen this on advertised. Barney Jones with a tribute to Frank Sinatra. Sounds like a good act. Then of course, you got Waddy Gold. Another brilliant act here in Benidorm. I always like it when you're trying to film something and some twat just walks in front of you. Don't worry, won't come outside. I get 10 problems as well, mate, not just you. Anyway, then you got a tribute to UB40 by the brilliant Q-Jam with our great friend Michael Mosiah, who also does his own show. He does his own tribute to Bob Marley. As well as that, he does his own songs. He's also kind of a celebrity as well. You've probably seen him on Bargain Loving Brits when he'd done his own song, Benidorm Town. Then of course, Bruno Mars Experience and Carlos helping you party the night away. So, yeah, some good shows on here in Joker's Bar. One thing I love about Benidorm is, you can practically see a tribute act to anyone, whether they're dead or alive. Benidorm Tom tribute act. You got tribute acts to Elvis, Pink, Bruno Mars, Ed Sheeran, Take That, the Bee Gees, the Beatles. Think at one point there was a Chinese bloke doing a tribute act to Elvis. It's Benidorm. And one thing I say about Benidorm is it's a ghost town. Now I bet you're wondering, well, why the hell are you calling it a ghost town? It's the only place where you can start off in one bar, watching Elvis, go into the next bar, watch Tom Jones, go into another bar, watch Neil Diamond, then finish your night off by watching Meatloaf. These tribute acts as well, they ain't shit. Trust me, they are not shit. They're brilliant. Take Meatloaf for example. From the videos I've seen of the actual Meatloaf performing, when you go see Simon Ruston and his beautiful friend do the tribute show, you honestly think Meatloaf is actually there on stage performing. It is that good. Like the costume, the voice, the dancing, just amazing. One of my favourite shows here in Benidorm. As well as a guy we haven't seen for some time, actually. Ben Jackson, I think he's called, does a tribute to Michael Jackson, the King of Pop. That's a brilliant show. And on about Michael Jackson, I think our friend Simon Rushton was on about doing his own Michael Jackson tribute called Fat Jackson or something like that, was it? I mean, there's some good shows here in Benidorm, guys. No, don't doubt it. I mean, I've seen a lot of people on Facebook saying, well, look, here I've been Monday mile, I booked a water park, I booked a Mythica, but there's no else to do. Well, lots of lovely walks. There's 3 or 5, I think. Yeah, I think there's 5 beaches here in Benidorm. You've got the Benidorm Cross. You've got nice coastal towns as well. Altea, Albia. Like, you can walk it or get a bus, which I mean, bus is cheap enough. Maybe even get a tram through to Alicante for the day or go somewhere maybe different than Alicante. Alcampello, go Bella Fortuna, somewhere like that. Anyway, if you're wanting to see the places sort of in between Benidorm and Alicante, head over to Matt Mike's channel. Done some brilliant videos at Alcampello, Villa Hyosa. I can't even remember half the places we went to. Oh God. Anyway, Market Grant there, I believe it's on every Wednesday and Sunday, I want to say. I know it's on Sundays, and I think it's on Wednesdays. Anyway, it's a good market. I know a lot of people do try to make out they get ripped off on it, they get mugged on it, but just have your common sense about you. If you feel like you're getting ripped off, walk off. Don't be afraid to try barking with them either. Oh, I hate filming with women. I'm not sure if you're getting that, but there's a new bar going in town here as well, apparently. Funnily enough, named Fusion, after one of the shows here in Benidorm. I think that will probably be a bar that will mainly only open come market days, because I mean, if you got a bar down by market day comes, you're gonna be heaving. Trust me, I mean, whether it's just doing a few drinks and basic snacks. Cheers for walking in front of me in my bed. Anyway, if it's just a few cold drinks, good. You might be doing like English breakfasts for people who's come down early and never know. So yeah, I wish Fusion Bar the best of luck, and maybe one day we'll pop in and say hi. Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit subscribe. Love you all. Hope to see you all in Benidorm very soon. Oh yeah, with Pride coming up as well. Happy Pride, everyone. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.